Hello! Today is cooking video on my YouTube. That's me, Fairy Elfie, and today I'm kids maid or cook. I don't know yet, didn't decide it yet. So try to guess what are we going to cook with these ingredients. Do you have any thoughts what it could be? Is it complex? Is that cocaine? I don't know. Okay, for real, it will be dessert is named mango sticky rice. It's national Thai food. It's dessert. It's very yummy, and I love this dish a lot when I was in Thailand. So I would like to try to cook it myself here. So let's see how it will go because it's my first time, and I don't know how it will finish. Like will it be edible or not? But I hope it will be yummy at least because what I ate in Thailand, it just stole in my heart forever. It's just so fucking yummy. You should try to cook it too. So let's see how it will go. First of all, I would like to tell you what I use for it. This is mango. Probably not very juicy. I don't know really how to find out what mango is edible or not because probably it's my first time when I'm buying mango. So after that there is the rice. It must be 2 or 3 portions. It's about 200 milligrams. A rice should be like Thai rice. It's named like that. Look how this rice looks like. It's long, thick, white color. And it must be yummy. After that, 300 milliliters of coconut milk. Let's see how it will go because it's also my first time when I bought it, and this looks like a milk actually. Also, there are 6 tablespoons of sugar, just simple sugar, nothing special. Sugar as sugar. And there is cornstarch. It looks like
starch.
So here is cornstarch. So here is the cornstarch. It looks like a flour, but it's starch. Not sure that I spell it right. I don't know. It has no smell for me. It is what it is. It's 3 teaspoons of it. So first of all, we need to drink non-alcohol, but because I'm a bit started to coughing with air, typical me. So we should wash our rice. I will put it here because it will be more comfortable. We need to wash it until times when water will be completely with no color. So let's look. Wash it with cold water. You see, water is not clean, not clear. It has like color. Maybe we should repeat it like 6 or maybe 8 times until water will be completely normal. Be careful, don't throw rice over. I'm imagining that's worms. Looks still dirty, I mean not clear. Like in general you can use it too, but better to do it as much possible clear. It's third time. You know, I have fetish for Indian accent. I'm not joking. Just I played in Hogwarts Legacy yesterday night on my stream, and I realized that I like how one of professors speaking. I don't remember his name, but I understand that he has Indian accent because other characters they speak in a British accent, and I don't understand anything from it, but Indian accent is very sexy and understandable, so I like it. By the way, look, water become more clear, but still not perfectly. Still need to do like that. Do it many times to make it super clear.
It's time to stop! It's time to stop, okay? No more!
By the way, how do you like my nails? Maybe I should maybe I should make new pictures for my nails. I feel so confused when you make a video of me from this racourse. I feel like an old meme. My hand is frozen from this cold water. So you see, it's normal. After that, we need to soak rice with clean water. This water was out of filter. So rice will be soaked during 2 hours, 3. You can leave it for whole night, it won't be a problem. But I will leave it for 2, maybe 3 hours. So, see you later. So 2 hours passed and I'm here. Let's check what's happened with rice. Nothing changed generally. But I feel actually like it's become more mild. So we should take off water. And look what we do after. Let's go. I have here a big bowl. Oi. So, and here must be 2 pieces of water. They're the same size as.
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti.
Sorry for dirty oven. So we should put on gas. So we have it now, and also we need to add a bit of salt, just a bit. So after that we should mix coconut milk to make sure that everything alright and it has the same kind. So we should take it, but we won't boil it. It just should be a bit of warm. Here also we will add sugar. Yes, it will be very sweet. Mix it. Don't forget to mix rice too. For 20-30 minutes all water must be gone. So it will be normal rice and we will wait after that when it will be completely not that hot, like a bit warm. Also we should mix coconut milk from time to time. So for now we should divide part of this hot milk here. It smells so good. And here I don't know what the piece of shit switch it off. And in the rest of the milk we should add this stuff. I forgot how it's named, corn scratch. So it must be there. And also need to mix it. It will change state after some time. You will see it looks like a comb. Just need to wait for a little time. See, it's already coming out in state. So, rice is ready. Look at this condition. No water. but we should add milk in it. Look. It will make rice very sweet and yummy. So, let it be. Now I wanted to open mango. I never did it before. I know I need to take off this green stuff. It smells like flowers. I really don't know how to do it, but I will do it how I feel. So don't judge me. It's my first time. Oops, it's a bit annoying. It's slinky. God, I mean myself, that I have long nails, you see? It's very good in homework. And there must be a seed inside, but I have no idea how big it is and how it looks like, so I'm a bit scared to cut it. Let's cut it. See. I think that's enough for me. I will put rice at first. After that I should put this sauce. I told you it looks like a cone, but it is not. Okay, I'm not very accurate, but never mind. So let's put it here, some beautiful way. Not that into aesthetic food. Looks nice. So, it's ready. Let's try it. Hopefully it's yummy also. To be honest, I'm a bit scared of this sauce, because there is some kind of sauce which reminds me calm and I'm a bit scared of it. But let's try to eat it. It's not like in Thailand. Don't repeat after me. Probably I made mistake somewhere. It's more like just a rice mash. And that's it. So fail, it's my first cooking video. Don't be like me. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to put like, write comments and tell me what I did wrong. And have a good day. Bye bye.